Why pay hundreds of dollars for a designer frame and bookends when you can customize them yourself? Here's how simple it is to create a whimsical butterfly mirror and songbird bookends. Here's what you'll need. Aleene's DIY Kraft Heavy Duty Adhesive, white primer, cheers, and Princess Cut COLORSHOT Premium Spray Paints, an assortment of butterflies, masking tape, masking paper, scissors, and a craft knife. First, cover the mirror with paper to protect the glass from overspray. To cover the mirror, cut paper to fit the glass and apply masking tape along the inside of the mirror to hold the paper in place. This will create a nice sharp edge and will make cleanup super easy. Take the mirror and the bookends to a well-ventilated area or outdoors and cover your work surface. Now don't forget to shake all the cans for 1 minute before you start painting. Use the Cheer metallic color shot to paint the bookends with a light coat to cover all of the sides evenly. Use the Princess Cut metallic color shot to paint the mirror using smooth, even strokes. The COLORSHOT's Premium Spray Paint covered the mirror and bookends with 1 coat. The paint will be dry to touch in 10 minutes. To paint the butterflies, use white matte primer COLORSHOT on both sides, wait 10 minutes, and then paint with Princess Cut COLORSHOT on both sides to match the mirror. Let the butterflies dry for at least 1 hour. Use a craft knife to cut the masking tape and pull the paper away from the mirror and see how pretty it is with the new coat of Princess Cut COLORSHOT. Decide how you want to place the butterflies by laying them randomly in the corners and along the edges of the mirror. Now you're ready to glue. Squeeze the Aleene's DIY Kraft Heavy Duty Adhesive onto the butterflies and press them onto the frame with your fingers. It looks nice to overlap the wings and place them in all directions for a natural butterfly effect. Let the butterflies dry flat for at least 2 to 4 hours. They will be fully cured in 24. And that's how easy it is to use Aleene's DIY Kraft Heavy Duty Adhesive and COLORSHOT Premium Spray Paint to refresh your home for a nature-inspired, stylish makeover.